Second row seat folding. To fold the 60P rear seat, lower the rear head restraints to the lowest position, and ensure cup holder is not in open condition. To fold the 60P rear seat, pull the lever located on the left side of the 60P seat. To fold the 40P rear seat, lower the rear head restraints to the lowest position. To fold the 40P rear seat, pull the lever located on the right side of the 40P seat. Ensure you hear a click sound while lifting the rear seats individually into an upright position. Notice